You're having a few friends over to watch the big game today and you need one more dish for your food table. Well, we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks With cheese and chorizo sausage dip. So let's get started. Let's cook the chorizo sausage. Drain the sausage of excess liquid and place in a bowl. Time to build the dish. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Set your timer for 15 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. The history of chorizo dates back to the Spanish conquest of the Aztec Empire during the 1500s. Chorizo consists of ground pork seasoned with vinegar and spices. Looks great. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. While this is a bold and hearty appetizer, the chorizo sausage adds a spicy kick, and the Gruyere and Monterey Jack cheeses bring a comforting and creaminess that balances the flavors perfectly. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like a great party. And of course, the food looks amazing. Stay with us. Watch the next video.